way to Dominion Raceway. They've got a drag racing event going on tonight. I don't know if I'll drag race. I'm not prepared for it. But I was invited down to check out the event and stuff, so we'll see how it goes. So this is, Dominion Raceway building. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, so film whatever you want.
All right.
This is Richard. He's the safety director here.
Hey, how's it going?
So, my name's Andrew. I'm recording.
I am recording.
I do the YouTube channel for the Raceway, but I also do promotional videos for them as well. This is where you would come in for like registration.
Right.
All those walkie-talkies, number of them guns, obviously for
right.
the people who take them for the night. But it's kind of an off night because of the weather,
Yeah.
It's kind of hit or miss. But then you've got all these walkies will be gone, like if it's a race day.
Yeah, I've been here for like a Cars and Coffee a long time ago, back when they were still doing construction and stuff, and we went on the track, but it was like a little pace lap, or whatever.
Yeah. So then we've got, let's see here.
The long hallway.
This is gonna be a lot, but I might have to go back and see if I can get a key. Oh, the oval tower's open. This is like the only really important thing.
Cool.
So this is where on race days, this here.
Ooh.
So yeah, on race days, this is where the race director will sit, and then this room is where I don't know if you saw any of the Facebook Lives or anything, but when we were doing for oval track before we could have fans back.
Oh yeah, okay.
We were doing Facebook Lives.
And you guys have multiple tracks. Obviously, you have the oval, and then you have the circuit track, right?
Yeah. So
I'm not sure what it's
road
called
course,
that,
and then the drag strip.
Yeah, and then the straightaway, I guess, is a drag strip on the weekends or whenever you have an event.
Yeah, it's like a part of the road course.
Yeah.
I think on the other side they're doing one that's dedicated, but it's just not finished yet.
Yeah. I heard about that.
Yeah. So
Cool, man.
Cool.
It's unlocked. Okay, good. It's a nice view.
Yeah. You can walk around up there if you want. I don't really go much further than this because I'm afraid of heights.
Oh, well, yeah. That'll do it. That's cool, man. Yeah, they did the drift stuff in the S-turns over there last time I was here, which was probably 2 years ago or something like that. Sounds like they're getting some drag runs in. So I don't know what kind of BMW it is, probably some M series or something, versus a F-150. Truck one. I think it's supercharged.
Yeah. How long have you been working on your YouTube channel?
So I actually made the channel before I even got the car. Like I won the car at auction, and I was like, all right, I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff to this. And I know a lot of people in the United States don't have these cars, but they're going to be getting them. So if I can help anyone out by like just recording the process of me doing something, because I'm going to be doing it anyway, I can help someone out. So I just started it probably. So I got the car September of 2015. And I made my first video of like, I've ordered parts for my car that's not even here yet type of thing, like probably right after I won. So like,
people loved it.
I guess. I mean, it probably had like 7 views or something when I first started, but you know. But yeah, it's about 5 years or so. So I'm not like a everyday type vlogger or anything, because my life's not very exciting other than the car. So when I have stuff to do with the car, or I come to an event like this, you invited me here, so you know, I'll make content like that. But you know, I'm not gonna be like, hey guys, I'm brushing my teeth today, and, and now I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and now I'm gonna go to work. So
Dustin's gonna rev up the monster.
yeah, right.
Fun fact: favorite movies growing up, GoodeZilla movie. So you're just gonna take this left here and go straight. Drive on in.
Sweet.
You can take a lap.
All right.
Just don't hit the wall.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna do
Oh my god, dude! No, what the? Dude, the wall's right.
You don't mind racing against this gentleman right here, do you?
No.
You do a dig or a roll?
Whatever you want to do.
Have you been here before, correct?
I've never raced here. No.
Okay.
I mean, I've seen them go, but.
Our rolls for the roll, we keep it under 20 until the white line.
Okay.
Okay, and you see that Dodge pickup on the left back there?
Yeah.
He's at the turn where you need to turn around.
Okay. You want to do a roll or a dig? I don't care.
Do a roll.
Alright.
Alright, flash your headlights to him. Go! Give me a roll. Roll. Flash your headlights, you're gonna go 20 to the line. Oh, wait. Let's go, roll.
So I started in second gear because I didn't know, but I think I'd do better. I'd keep up with you if I was in first gear. Do you want to do it again? Yeah. I started in second just because I didn't know how fast I was going to be going, so I had a lot of lag, and then I missed third. So
I heard it when it came to life.
yeah,
I'm expecting a different outcome.
I'm going to start in first this time.
Yeah, I
So hopefully I don't miss any gears. So if not, I'm just doing it for fun.
Beautiful car, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
I was wondering what happened.
Yeah, I missed third too, but
High beams on. 1 to the line, you're good to go.
unless you caught up. This is the Mustang that I raced from a roll.
I feel like you could have beaten that though.
Well guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you give it the thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those notifications if you haven't. Just want to say a big thank you to Dominion Raceway and Andrew Harris for having me down there, and they actually did a feature on their YouTube channel. I'll put that in the description down below, so go check them out. Definitely had a lot of fun, and I look forward to going back and doing some more, I guess, 8th mile, racing, and we'll see if I can get the thing on the circuit track maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you later. See ya.